Hi friends! Thanks for coming to Circle Time today. I'm so happy to see you. Let's start with our hello song. Hello, hello, what's your name? What's your name? What's your name? Hello, hello, what's your name? My name is... Awesome job! Okay, let's sing our days of the week. I think today that we should wiggle when we sing our days of the week. Ready? Days of the week. 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 There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. 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 Whew, that was silly wiggling. Okay, let's get ready to do our months dance. January, February, March and April, May, June, July and August, September, October, November and December, 12 months of the year. Woo, woo! Okay, let's count fast today. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. I think we can count faster than that. Ready? 1, 2, 3. And today is number 4. Okay, let's try counting to 4 really fast. Ready? As fast as we can. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good job. Now let's count as slow as we can. 1, 2, 3, 4. Today is Thursday, June 4. Great job, friends. Okay, let's get our circles ready. Circle time is all done, all done, all done. Circle time is all done. Now it's time for play. Bye, friends.